kahit ano, kahit may cut-cut, gano'n. Kasi hindi bawal tayong mag-cut, 'di ba? Bawal natin 'tong i-edit. So, let's start. So, good day everyone! So, andito ulit kami to present to you ano-ano ang mga nasa website and what's the instruction about website. And if unreliable ba siya or reliable. So, before kami mag-start, we introduce ourselves and or me na lang. So, andito si Sheila, Mary Regine, Aaron, Claire, Daniela, and also Irish. So, before we start, can I call Ate Mary to first? Ayan, siyang muna.
So I am here first to answer the two questions of this activity. So sabi naman ni Sir, diretso sagot lang naman. So here's my answers. Number one, narinig ako. Nawala yung internet ko. Sorry. Okay. Once again, I'm Mary Regine Samar. So here are my two answers for these two questions. So for the first question, why is the website? Instruction number two, reliable website. So sabi dito, nagbigay lang ng isang reason. So for my answer is, it is yung website na nakita ko is reliable siyang website because of syempre yung content from credible, then expert sources siya, and website na yan is reliable and be trusted to experts are as a source of accurate and well researched information. Sources naman is pangalawa. Why it is the website is a strong indicator that number two is not reliable website. So, yung sinong sagot ko dito, my answer is, it is not reliable because it is medyo ano siya, lack of clear authorship or attribution of the information. Yun lang, thank you.
So, yun ang question po na napili ko is, why is the website in instruction number 2 not a reliable website? And ang sagot ko is because it can very reliability due to factors like editorial oversight, source citation, and expertise of authors. Without this element, website information may lack credibility compared to videos can include visual events or making them more reliable.
Hello everyone, good evening. So, ang napili ko is yung number one question is kung bakit reliable yung website. So, the Batangas Technological College Index website is reliable because it is managed and used by a verified academic institution from the Philippines. It also links its higher up institutions in the website, which you can try to verify its legitimacy.
Hello everyone, good evening. Am I edible po?
Yes.
Okay. Ang napili ko po is what is the website and instruction about it is reliable website. The website and instruction to is a reliable source because it is a reputable educational institution's official website ensuring accurate and credible information. Yun lang po.
Good day everyone. My name is Sheila Cabrera. So, ang napili ko po ng question is why is that the yeah, because sila reliable source source people are honestly also specific about the institution program offering ability access culturally and the quality establishment like and BSOA. So it showcases a commitment to delivering quality education and training to its students. And that's all.